Hi everyone.
Hey everyone. So, believe it or not, well actually you probably do believe it, but the thing that takes the most when you're doing a van build, especially if you're doing it for the first time, is all the planning and figuring out where you want everything, what to do next, what to use. Just the planning, it just takes forever. So we've already done the layout in cardboard once before we've done anything else, and now we are just going to do it in masking tape to get a little bit of idea where everything's going, so we can work out like which bits of the wall you can see and which bits you can't see and everything like that, and make sure everything fits. So we're just remeasuring and redoing the layout.
Yep, like our floor.
Oh yeah, so we've got to apply flooring. So that's why we're managing to do that now, because the floor's all nice.
Courtesy of Lucinda.
So yeah, we're just going to do that now. Cool.
Yep.
We'll put that on.
This set.
So the bed. I don't have a pencil. Have you got a pencil?
Yeah. Which one? Got two.
Just need one.
Look. I'm the co-chef. Oh, sorry, I'll go take maybe. That's the bed.
That's the bed. So I really do recommend getting some masking tape and just laying your design out with masking tape, because it just gives a really good feel for the space.
Especially for me, who can't visualise the design, putting the masking tape down just helps it come to life. What's going on here then, Lulu?
So we finished doing all the masking taping. Really exciting when you get everything masked out. Right, so we'll start at this end. This is my little chair, by the way. I'm thinking of bringing this. Say hi, sit here. Right, come in. Good on. So this is going to be the kitchen unit. So we've managed to fit quite a big unit in, actually. We've got 3 different spaces. This first one going to be, I'm thinking the sink's going to be here on top, and then this is going to be the storage for the water tanks underneath. We're going to have a cupboard that you can open out so that you can collect the water tanks from that side and refill them. And shall I come down? Whoa! A minute. And then this middle cupboard is going to be a storage one, and then we're going to have a drawer coming outwards outside there with the cooker in it, so you can cook from the outside. The sink's going to have like a surface space thing that goes inside the sink, so extra surface space. And then I think we're going to have like one drawer in all 3. Well, and then this one is going to be another cupboard, but this one, can you see this one is going to have a door here, and this is your cupboard space, but it's going to actually extend into the garage under the bed, so you've got extra little space there to like pans in or whatever. Then so we'll go on to the garage. So in the garage, this big area is the fridge. So we've masking taped the size of the fridge, and then we've done like a 2-inch masking tape barrier for clearance for the fridge, because you can't have it like squished into a compact space. So we've got that masked out, so we know not to put anything around there. And then into the garage, so where we've got this separate bit here, we're actually going to have like a wall under the bed, so that the fridge, so you've got this clearance, then the fridge and everything, the extra cupboard space and that is separate from this garage. This bit that I'm sat in now, this is going to be all access from the rear door. This is our main garage space, so this side is going to have our battery, our diesel heater, control panel thing. Is that right? Yeah, dude. Yeah, so that's all going to be on that side. And then this side is going to be free for storage set. So basically from where I'm sat all the way up there is to about this height is storage. So that's quite good actually, isn't it? Quite a bit of storage in there hopefully. And then also this bit is storage as well. So maybe we could even leave that bit open, couldn't we? And like long things can go right across. Do you think? I do?
Yeah, I do.
Not really discussed that side, have we? Yeah, that's a good idea actually. So that wall we'll probably just put to here.
Yeah.
Leave that bit open, and then anything long that you want to store, just shove down there.
It's a good idea.
Yeah, it's a good idea, that Lucinda, if I do say something. If you imagine this 3D, this is where the bed will be. So the bed is going to be up to about here. The bed itself, without the mattress, it's 4 foot, so it's going to come from the back to... Yeah, and that's the bed. So the bed's going to be 4 foot by 5'5", but then we're going to have a 5'6" mattress on it, so it's just going to slightly like give us a bit of extra space in the windows. We're not quite sure about the windows yet, we don't know whether it's a blind, curtain, build a frame, we try and decide. Anyway, over to this side. So this side, we're going to have a seat. We've just been testing it with the stool, because when Adam sits on that stool, he's It's pretty much up here, so we can't make it any taller than this stool. So say this is our seat, it's going to be about that tall, a small like cushion on it. This side of it's going to be a storage unit, so we'll probably have that lifting up so we can put stuff in there. And then this side, we're trying to work out how big of a toilet or how small of a toilet we can fit. But that's going to be a toilet in that bit. And then there's going to be a door, because this is going to be our door that we come in and out of. So there's going to be a door on the outside of this side to open to slide the toilet out for emptying and cleaning. And then basically everywhere in the middle and that side, we've got all extra floor space. So all this and then this little extra bit here we've got for putting a little bit of storage in. So that's the plan.
Sounds good.
How many times do you think it'll change?
6.
No, I think we've pretty much got it down to a T.
Yep, I think we have actually got it down to a T.
So that's that. Now we can get on with cutting some ply for the walls and deciding which panels we're going to keep that came on the van, because it's quite a good condition van, so we're going to keep a few of the panels if we can.
Peace.
So follow along to see if the plan did change. So, to fasten the floor down, we are using sticks like boop, in turbo white. It's weatherproof, foolproof, extremely strong. You don't need to do any surface preparation. You get super strong, super fast bond. All you have to do is apply sticks like boop, turbo to one of our surfaces to be joined, then press together. Nothing could be easier. So, and also it says it sets in 15 minutes, and also temperatures, extreme temperatures and movement. So that's why we got this one. It even sticks to wet surfaces. But we got this one because it's the high temperature one and it's meant to be really good. So yeah, we're going to stick the floor down first. And then we've also got, are these the self-tapping?
Yeah.
Are these the big enough ones?
Yeah.
We've also got these self-tapping screws, 32mm crosshead ones, that we might use if we feel like it needs the additional support, but that glue's supposed to be good, so I don't think we'll need it. So I'm gonna get it stuck down. So we're sticking the ply over the metal floor purely because we couldn't actually get the metal floor up.
And boy did I try. Is that coming out?
This is really hard to do. So when it comes to sticking your plywood flooring down, it's really important to get a really strong glue. And like I said, a heat resistant one. You want something that's not going to be moving because your furniture is going to be on top of this ply floor.
And it's always good to put screws in as well, just for that extra security.
Of course, before sticking down the floor, make sure all the dirt and any dust and any grime is all removed and it's nice and clean. Because once it's stuck, it's not coming up.
We use this glue, but another option that people use is Sikaflex.
Hard to squeeze that out.
Yeah, really.
Isn't it? I found squeezing out this glue really difficult, so it's over to Adam for this job.
To be honest, I didn't find it much easier either, but a good tip is to put WD-40 on the other side of the tube and it helps lubricate it.
It's really important to let the glue dry, and to do this we've added weights on top of the boards just to really push it down and give it a chance to stick. Once the ply floor was all glued and weighted down, I then finished off the edges with the aluminium foil tape. This is basically used to stop any moisture getting under the insulation. In this episode, we decided on our design for the van, stuck our ply floor down, and now we're ready for the next step.
So if you enjoyed this episode, then give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and keep up to date with the rest of the van build.
Don't forget to turn on the bell for notifications.